ready to unlock more sales on Etsy by offering the convenience of Apple Pay to your buyers. First, make sure you're enrolled in Etsy Payments, which is Etsy's primary payment processing system and the key to offering Apple Pay. This is usually a standard part of setting up your shop, but double-check your shop settings to confirm it's active. Next, in your shop manager, navigate to Settings, then Payment Settings. You'll typically find this under the Finance section. Here, you should see a list of payment methods automatically enabled through Etsy Payments, and Apple Pay will be included as a standard option if you are eligible. Keep in mind that Apple Pay availability depends on a few factors, like your location, your beer's location, and the device the beer is using to make the purchase. Once enabled, Apple Pay will automatically appear as a payment option during checkout for eligible buyers using compatible Apple devices, creating a seamless and secure purchasing experience. By offering Apple Pay, you're not only broadening your customer base but also providing a modern, trusted payment method that can lead to increased sales and happier customers.